She said her husband was at peace with her leaving the marriage. Yo, that's a sad reality. Your own husband is okay with you walking away. That should tell you something is seriously wrong. Salute to Mangwabe's mom for the support system. Now here's where things get serious. Mangwabe was even blamed for Ubamsele's sickness by Umseleko. Imagine if something had happened to him. She would have been held responsible for his death. That's how toxic the narrative around her was. This is why we need to talk about how we speak to our partners, especially in polygamous marriages. Words have power, accusations have consequences. I do not advocate for unhealthy marriages, but every marriage has problems. And yes, Mangwabe went into this knowing it's a polygamous setup, different personalities, different dynamics, different family getting involved. Problems are about to happen. But the question is, are we treating each other with respect, or are we allowing outside voices to destroy what's inside? Mangwabe said the relationship is still the same. She doesn't care whether Umseleko loves her or not. She's here to stay and do things her way. That's powerful but also heartbreaking. To be in a marriage where you don't even care